Hello everyone, it's Rayron, and today we have the SP3375 EMD GP9 locomotive here on the turntable. You guys have definitely loved this engine. Apparently it is definitely getting close to one of my most highest views on the channel but when I ran it on my 3-piece modular set. And it's definitely approaching 100, which is going to be my first video to hit 100 on the channel. So I figure we celebrate and put this guy on a turntable, so that way you guys can see the details associated with this engine. With that, enjoy the montage. Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed the video. That was the HO3375 SP Chroma Key color scheme of this mythic railroad adventure. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.